Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 2x. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have 2x plus 2 dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. And now we have the formula in here. The integral of a to the power of u du. We have a to the power of u over ln 8. And I will put about c. And this one we have 4 to the power of u over ln number 4. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.